This is our view from the Drury Inn in Colorado Springs. It's a bigger room too than what we had originally. Seeing a gay guy who actually had a daughter. It was pretty cool. Second time doing that.
What's
But,
that?
nothing. Look at me. What? Hear people jumping up and down. Get a picture of Colorado Springs. My mother took a really pretty photo. Yeah. I don't know if he's actually gay. I'm just messing around. I just thought it'd be funny to say. He's dressed a little zesty, but I think that's just a style. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe he discovered he liked different things in life. You got Pike's Peak back there.